And if you guys ever seen the movie Idiocracy, please, please, if you haven't seen that movie, please go just look at it. And you will see the phase that we're in, where people like myself get up here on YouTube and speak against this, and we're, shadow banned. We're told to shut up, and you're being mean, and you're going against the culture. When you're saying to the culture that this behavior right here begets more behavior like this behavior is a detriment to our community, not for the short term, but for the long term.
Like, that wasn't my condom. I don't use condoms, baby.
Right.
I'm the raw dog queen.
Wow.
So that didn't come from me.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Let's get into that.
Yeah, like what makes you the queen? Like the queen is like.
I know a couple bitches don't believe in condoms
somebody
also,
just
so
fought?
it makes you like
The queen of it. Is like,
I ain't gonna lie.
you just hate Trojan, like you hate latex.
I do. And they make your stink. And they stink. They smell like fish.
Lord have mercy.
I don't think that's the condom you smelling, baby. What you?
Do y'all hear our women? And I say our women because this, like I said, it's the mirror to our culture, man. Shorty probably let's see how many followers. I'm curious. How many followers do you guys think this woman has? Let me see. Sexyy Red. Sexyy Red has, let's see. That says 1.6 million followers. 1.6 million followers. And her bio says the following: Ghetto Fabulous Hoochie, X-rated, your favorite rapper / trapper, St. Louis finest. That's Sexyy Red. And she has a picture on here. Says, been that bitch since I was in first grade. I put that on my kid. No cap in my rap. This really been my pose. And I've been rocking the skeet ears. Now check it. Y'all see that pose right there? She's proud that she's been doing this since she was in first grade, she said. That's her pose in first grade. Okay? Now, y'all seen that pose, right? Isn't that the same pose that she's doing here with this guy? Now, this is years later. The same pose. Not only with that guy, she's doing the same pose in that picture. That's interesting. She has been doing the same pose for years. And you wonder why I get up here and talk about the same pose. You wonder why I get up here and talk about these women, because I'm sure she listened to the Cardi B's. She listened to the Nicki Minaj's. She listened to the Meg Thee Stallions. She's literally doing that pose, you guys, as an adult. I just went through her Instagram where she has 1.6 million followers, and the first picture on her page is her doing that pose when she was in first grade. Now tell me the real influence out here. played a video of her going into a school. Now y'all see that. This is for a girl who just, what you just heard her say, I don't use condoms and I'm the raw dog queen. This is that woman. And we take this so lightly. Now, 10 years ago, I seen this happen, and I said, this is going to be bad, man. Little girls are going to start wanting to be like this in real life. They're not going to look at it as entertainment anymore. They're going to look at it as a lifestyle. That's what they're going to do. And we're currently in that phase, right? And if you guys ever seen the movie Idiocracy, please, if you haven't seen that movie, please go just look at it. And you will see the phase that we're in, where people like myself get up here on YouTube and speak against this, and we're, shadow banned. We're told to shut up, and you're being mean, and you're going against the culture. When you're saying to the culture that this behavior right here begets more behavior like this, this behavior is a detriment to our community, not for the short term, but for the long term. And just like 10 years ago, I said, this is going to happen. I mark my words. I'm about to be 40 next year. When I turn 50, universe willing, that I'm still up here doing my thing, I'm going to still be talking about this, but I'm going to be talking about this from a standpoint of they took over. They already took over. I mean, some people think they already took over. Ratchetness already took over. Our community is shot. And I'm trying to tell you guys, as being men out there, we have to figure out a way how to take back this power from these women. We got to figure out a way how to take back power from the Democratic Party, the Republican Party, and put it back into our hands as men. We have to start congregating and building something based upon masculinity, real masculinity. Because if we create an atmosphere where this shit cannot exist, Sexy Red will not exist. If we start just pooling our minds together, and I'm talking to all of the men who are not a POOKIE, hence not a POOKIE podcast. That's all I got for you guys, man. It's just, the more and more I see us going down a road, I look back on that road and I don't see anything, because we done ventured out too fucking far, man. We in the middle of the ocean and we need some type of life raft or something, because it's a lot of women, a lot of young girls out here who are the raw dog queens.